Signed, sealed, delivered. It makes the process of completing agreements sound so simple. So why isn't it just as simple for the moisture agreement you're trying to make with your curls? Well, granted, this agreement does involve a little more work than just sounding good on paper. But hey, even acting it out should pretty much follow by the same rules, right? You signed off on the type of moisturizing routine you chose to use, you're sealing it all in, and you've been waiting on your delivery in the moisture retention department, but it's been months, years even, and nothing has came. Well, luckily, because the stages before the delivery process are laid out pretty simple, it's easy to retrace your steps to go back and see what could be causing the holdup at each one. There's no need to waste any more time. So, without further ado, let's get into this video.
College girls, college girls.
Now, before we get started on explaining where in the delivery process your moisture retention package got lost, let's first explain why you even need to backtrack and think about each stage in the first place. And the reason why is simple. When you don't go back to see where you messed up, you automatically blame the sender, which would be you, or the carrier service, which would be your hair. Why? Because that's what we always do anytime we don't receive a package we ordered. And usually that works out pretty well for us because we wouldn't be the ones responsible for making sure the package arrives. But in the case of the moisture missing in our curls, choosing to blame the sender or the carrier only exacerbates the problem. Since you're the sender, when you blame yourself, you may start questioning why you even went natural, start thinking you can't do this, and just end up completely demotivating yourself and ever having a successful journey. And since your curls are the carrier, blaming them only ends up in you believing you have bad hair, it can't be helped, or you punishing it for not doing what you want with things like direct heat, or just completely giving up trying to care for it at all. None of these bring you any closer to getting your package. In fact, they do the exact opposite by pulling you further away. So here's my tip for you if you see this happening. Instead of playing the blame game, focus on how bad you want that package. In a normal delivery situation, this wouldn't matter. But since here, you control the outcome in all three stages, you 100% control the delivery. So let's go ahead and walk through each stage to see where the potential holdup could be. To keep things simple, we're going to categorize the 4 possible reasons in the stage they fall under. So the first and only reason under signed is you signed off on the wrong products, practices, or methods for your curls, and none of your moisture is being properly applied. Yep, you chose ones that weren't compatible with your hair, so what's actually going on in this case is you're getting a delivery, but it's not for the package you thought you were ordering. And when it comes to messing up in this stage, it could be the smallest of mistakes keeping you from having the moisture you want. The same way you could slip up and order the right shirt in the wrong size, you could be using the right product but in the wrong formula or thickness for your cuticles. If you find that your only holdup is in this area, all you need to do to get your package delivered immediately is learn your hair and what it can and can't handle. This may sound a little easier said than done, but in my free training, How to Make Natural Hair Grow, busy college and corporate naturals will leave knowing exactly which characteristics are most important to know to keep their hair moisturized, how to figure out which category of each you have, and what to do in order to find out what products and practices work for them. This training will be popping up in a card now and linked below. Moving on to sealed, the second stage, there's going to be only one reason for your holdup here as well. And it is that your hair isn't compatible with the sealing agent you're using, or you're not even using one at all. This could mean you're using an oil when you should be using a butter, vice versa. You're using the right type of product, but a heavier or lighter version would give you better results. Or you're just applying moisture with no attempts at all at sealing it in. If your package is getting lost at this point, then you're going to definitely want to start using a sealing agent if you're not, or switch out the one you are using for a version or product type with properties more aligned with the characteristics of your hair. Now, finishing off with the third and final stage, if your moisture is being held up in the actual delivery point of this process, then it could be for 2 reasons. 1, your protein levels are too low for any moisturizing or retaining efforts to work, Or 2, you're not using enough or the right styles to keep your moisture in. Low protein levels are going to hinder your moisture being retained because this means your cuticles won't be structured to keep any moisture in. This phenomenon could be caused by a number of things, including heat damage, color damage, daily wear and tear, or being genetically predisposed to having high porosity hair. If you believe this could be why your package keeps getting lost, then you're going to want to cut back on any damaging practices you're doing and start using protein treatments. How often you should use these and what strength to get are going to depend on the specific condition of your hair, so be sure you understand exactly what your curls are working with before beginning to apply these all willy-nilly. For more information on exactly what this treatment is and how it's done, be sure to watch this video. Neglecting to use frequent low manipulation or protective styles is another common culprit for moisture being lost. These styles either require you to handle your hair very little or keep your ends tucked away, both of which result in more moisture being retained and less damage. These types of styles should make up a majority of the ones you do to your hair, so at the very least, they should be used no less than 4 times a week for best results. It's also possible that you could be using these styles, but the ones you do choose aren't completely compatible for your hair because of its normal characteristics or how damaged it may currently be. If that is the case, then you're going to want to be aware of these characteristics and learn which exact styles they can and can't handle so all your moisturizing efforts can be properly recognized by your curls. And those are the 4 most common reasons why your moisture isn't being retained despite all your best efforts at doing so. If you found that your reasons are across all 3 stages, or you have no idea which reason applies to you and don't know where to start to fix it, then you're invited to enroll in my one-on-one natural hair coaching program for busy college and corporate naturals want healthy hair just as. In this program, I have helped dozens of corporate and college curlies stuck in all points of the delivery process start getting their moisture delivered and retained with simple, flexible routines that fit their ever-changing busy schedules. You'll receive personalized support through product recommendations, personalized plans, Zoom calls, and much more. If you're interested in enrolling, a card will be popping up now and it'll be linked in the description box below. And now I want to hear from you. Are you or have you struggled with dryness in your hair? What ended up working the best for you, or are you still stuck? Leave your answers, tips, and tricks in the comment box below, and I'll respond to as many of you as I can. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button if you liked it. Hit it even if you didn't. Leave a comment down in the comment box below, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
College girls, college girls, college girls, college girls.